I'm in the street of Benin, the Deputy Jesus, and I meet my brother here. Merry Christmas, brother.
I wish you same.
Okay, I'm asking a question. Can anybody kill anybody spiritually?
Yes.
How?
Because the word itself is a spiritual word.
No, the word is physical. The word is not spiritual.
It came to be through a spoken word by God. The Bible said in Genesis.
Yes, I agreed.
That the word was without form.
Yes.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
And God Himself called it to be.
Yeah, He called things that are be as if they were not.
Are you getting
I agree.
me?
Yes.
Nothing happened on earth physically without happening spiritually. Even the pandemic we are talking about today was prophesied in the Bible that when it's close to the coming of Jesus Christ, that there's something they call pestilence, which is called disease today. Incurable pestilence will not be upon the world.
It's a prophecy.
That prophecy has come to pass now. That is why I'm telling you. So they can kill you spiritually.
No, you are saying beating around the bush.
No, I'm not beating. I'm telling you.
Wait now. Thank God that you are bringing it up. Now, nobody doubts about the power of God.
Yes.
Nobody doubts it. No, wait now. Nobody doubts the power of God. Yeah? I'm here to prove some people wrong because a lot of things have been misinterpreted by the word of God. God divide the Red Sea, right?
Yes. Yes.
And it's spiritually done.
Yes.
Will God divide the Red Sea today? I don't want you to answer me. It's a rhetorical question. Can God divide the Red Sea today? No. The reason wait.
Because we are not in such a situation now.
Yes.
God will divide the Red Sea.
You have answered me. But I didn't want you to answer. You see, that's why he said, when you said God created the world with a spoken word, I say yes, but God will not create the world with spoken word again. Because He has created it. Yes. That's why I said the world we are living is physical, it's no more spiritual. But listen to me. The reason why God divided the Red Sea is because at that point in time, knowledge has not abounded. There's no life jacket. There's no boat. Wait now. There's no bridge to cross the Red Sea. There's no boat to cross the Red Sea. There's no life jacket to cross the Red Sea.
My brother.
There's no plane to fly across the Red Sea.
My brother, the knowledge.
Don't do it now.
The knowledge that we are talking about.
Yes.
Who is that knowledge?
You see, God, I gave it to man. You know that. That's what I'm saying.
That's why you are getting.
I told you I was moving this one before you came. Because he said there are two different things between doctors and pastors. I said no. You see the power of God working in doctors.
Okay, listen.
That's what
I want to tell you something.
That's why I'm coming to you.
What was the sign of mercy? The symbol of mercy.
It doesn't matter the symbol.
The symbol of mercy. The symbol of mercy is the cobra head.
It doesn't matter.
That's the symbol of mercy.
God made the serpent.
That's a bit.
God made it.
Do you know that when the children of Israel was dying, Moses raised the serpent and said, whoever that looks up to the serpent, will live.
The serpent represents Christ.
That symbol is Christ today. The Bible said, looking unto Jesus, the author and the finisher of faith. Christ died on the cross of Calvary, and He said, it is finished. Whoever that look unto Christ will be saved.
Exactly.
Are you getting me, Mr. Man?
Yes.
The earth is spiritual. You will not accept this because it's your own point of view. But let me tell you,
it's not my point of view.
Nothing happened. That's why I started by telling you that the pandemic we are facing today, the Bible call it pestilence. The coronavirus. Today they are calling Omicron. We have Indian variant before. What I'm telling you today, anything you are talking about today,
it's prophesied to come.
Let me tell you, Christ Himself is the head of principalities and powers.
Fine. Are you getting it? So who is the power that can kill spiritual?
Let me tell you, when you are not in the side of Christ.
No. That's where you get it wrong.
Listen. No. The Bible said the name of the Lord. The Bible said the name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous run to it and they are saved.
That is
those who are not in the tent, who are not in the canopy of Christ. By the time they summon you spiritually, my brother, you become a sacrifice. In the hands of
anybody spiritually. No.
Oh, my brother.
You are quoting the Bible. The Bible says life is in the blood. The only way they can kill any life is blood and air.
What does the spirit do?
No spirit.
What
to kill anybody.
What does the spirit? Jesus Christ is spirit too.
Jesus Christ even himself did not appear in spirit. He has to wear body.
He came in the flesh of man.
Yes, he has to wear body.
He came in the flesh of man. He came in the flesh of man. But it's a spirit.
No. As far as you are seeing it, it's not a spirit.
It's a spirit. No, you cannot argue that one.
If you want to argue, I will open my scripture.
But I will come and continue this discussion.
Let me end this one.
A friend is waiting for me somewhere.
Jesus died and resurrected.
Yes.
Luke chapter 24 from verse 31 to 36. I'm going to quote as it is in King James. If you doubt me, you read this when you get home.
My phone is here.
When Jesus resurrected and disappeared, came into the house. Luke chapter 24 from verse 31 to 36. The Bible says, and they were astonished, thinking they saw a ghost. This is a man that have died and resurrected. This is who you call God. And he resurrected. What did Jesus tell them? He said, fear not, for I am not a ghost. For no man can see a spirit. Look at me, it is flesh and blood. For spirit has no body and flesh. That was Jesus' word.
You are correct.
For spirit. So, Jesus is a spirit. That's what I'm trying to tell you. God himself tells you, any man that seeth a spirit will surely die. What does it mean? It doesn't mean that if you see a spirit, it means that you must die to see a spirit. Any physical eye cannot see a spirit. That's why no man with his spiritual eye can see even a common air. Talk less of spirit. What are you talking about? I just put the Bible for you.
We'll
I'm a Christian. I know where I'm coming from.
We'll continue the discussion. But
thank you.